Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. This is your extended love reading for the month of September 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner. But take whatever is resonating according to your situations and leave the rest. I don't read reversals, and I hope it will help you out in some manner. I have already uploaded your general reading, your main reading. You can have a look on that too, because there are very important messages which you need to listen, Aquarius. Also have a look on that videos too. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what was the energies which I received for you. You are going to receive some kind of communication here, Aquarius, with the 8 of Wands. Okay, so a lot of communication is coming towards you, maybe through social media app, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, phone calls, anything, but a lot of communication is coming towards you from someone from your past. Okay, because Six of Cup energy was there. Okay, so someone from your past is coming here, and this is someone with whom you are having a love connection with. This is your love, the Lovers is here. Okay, this person is going to give you equal amount of give and take. The Six of Pentacle is here, and there was a Chariot, so you will move in a forward direction, Aquarius, with this person. This person which I received was, this person is right now in the energy of King of Cups, and King of Cups is someone who is the king of love, who follows their heart, who follows their emotions, who follow their intuition. Okay, so King of Cups energy which I was receiving here, there is new passionate beginning which is going to start in your life, Ace of Wands. But maybe right now you are holding back here with the Four of Pentacles, so you are not ready to open up. Maybe you're holding back your energy from this person, but this person is going to come towards you, and they want to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction with the Fool, with you, Aquarius. And there is Wheel of Fortune here also. Here, see, there was a Wheel of Fortune which is moving in your favor. So this is the good luck, the good karma which is coming here. The luck is on your side. Okay, and this person is coming towards you to give you a commitment, maybe a marriage proposal. And if it is not a marriage proposal, then there is a commitment. If you both were not committed to each other, so then now there is a commitment between you and this person. There is a Two of Cups and there is Ace of Cups. So this person is coming towards you to offer you a cup which is full of emotions, emotional fulfillment. Can you see how this cup is overflowing with all emotions? Okay, so this is very beautiful. They want to offer their heart towards you, and Two of Cups is also there. So this is very beautiful energy. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Three of Wands and the Sun. So new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. You are waiting your ships to come, and they are coming. And one more thing, you are in the energy of Queen of Swords and the Magician and the Star. So you are doing your manifestation, and you are hoping for new hopes and new desires, and these new hopes, new desires are coming up for you, Aquarius. Okay, and there was a Six of Wands energy too. So success is coming towards you here. Can you see? You're doing your manifestation, you're manifesting new happy beginnings with this person. Okay, so now let's start your extended love reading, and let's start your clarification, and let's see what are the energy meaning here. This is some kind of karmic justice which is being served in your case. 0404 is the recording reading time. Okay, so let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out in the clarification of this reading for Aquarius for the month of September 2021. So why there is Six of Pentacle here? Knight of Cups. Have a look on your main reading too. This was the energy here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Knight of Swords. They're coming towards you at a very high speed. Okay, Knight of Swords is someone who's coming at a very high speed. So they're coming, Aquarius. They're running towards you. They're coming towards you with a lot of love offered. Can you see? Because Knight of Cup is someone who is very loyal, very romantic, lot of love. Because can you see, there is a man holding a roses here. So this is very romantic love offer which is coming towards you. They are coming here, Aquarius, at a very high speed. Why there is Chariot here? Please clarify me, Chariot. Clarify, Chariot. Okay, I told you closing out a cycle, 10 of Wands. So you're releasing all the burdens which you are carrying on your shoulder here. Let me see more. Why there is a Chariot here? Why there is Chariot here? 8 of Swords. That's why you, because of the confusion, maybe you are having a lot of options to choose. 7 of Cups. That's why you're feeling restricted, stuck in your own thoughts, in your own mind thoughts. Okay, this is the mind thought which we were trapped in our own mind thoughts. 8 of Swords energy. But now you want to move forward. That's why you're releasing all the burdens on your shoulders, and you're saying, no, I want to move in a forward direction. I do not want to trap in my own mind thoughts, maybe because of a lot of options to choose. Okay, don't worry, you will move towards the calmer waters. Okay, 6 of Swords is here. Clarify me, Ace of Wands. Wow. See, bottom of the deck again, I'm having 4 of Pentacles. Right now you are definitely holding back from this person. You are not ready to open up, and you are saying, no, I'm not going to give my energy to this person. I am not going to give my love to this person. That's why you are holding back. And you see how this girl is holding this purse so tightly towards their heart. Okay, and this is the energy which I am receiving here for you. Definitely the Sun is here. So this is the happiest new beginnings which are coming up for you. Ace of Wands has been clarified by Sun. So new happy beginning is coming towards you, Aquarius. This is beautiful. This is the third time I'm receiving the Sun for you. Why you are holding back? Okay. Wow. Because of the competition. 5 of Wands, King of Wands, and the Chariot. See, again the Chariot is here. So you will move in a forward direction, Aquarius. There is a Chariot, so you will not going to get stuck in the same situation again and again. Okay, you will move in a forward direction. Maybe right now you are holding back from this person. Why you are holding back? Because of the fighting, drama, competition. Maybe there was a lot of competition here with the 5 of Wands here. And this person is someone who loves passion here, or this person is very mysterious or something like that, who is very secretive, who loves passion, creativity. But you will move in a forward direction. Because of the competition or conflicts with this person, you were holding back. Okay, why there is 8 of Wands? Clarify 8 of Wands. I told you this is the karmic justice which has been served in your case. Okay, justice is here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Pentacles. The Tower is here again. There is definitely new beginning which is coming towards you. There is a commitment which is coming towards you, Aquarius. And see, Queen of Wands. You are the divine pair here. Queen of Wands and King of Wands both are here. So you both are made for one another. This is a power couple which I am receiving here. Queen of Wands and the King of Wands both are here. So there is divine intervention which is coming in your life, Aquarius. The Tower is coming. And now there is a commitment which is coming towards you. Okay, this is something which you can touch. Ace of Pentacles is something which you can touch. Okay, so this is definitely very beautiful energy. The Tower is coming here, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Clarify me, Lovers here. Why there is Lovers? Clarify Lovers here. Bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Cups again. Maybe you will receive some kind of sorry apology with this person here with the Page of Cups. Maybe with a small message here. But definitely this person is coming towards with a lot of love. Ace of Cups is here again. Can you see both Ace of Cups are here? And you also love this person here. Maybe you are not accepting this person's cup right now because of the conflicts. Again, 5 of Swords, 4 of Cups and the Queen of Cups. But can you see how colorful this cup is? But you are not ready to see this cup even. You're rejecting this cup. because of the conflicts, fighting, drama, arguments with this person. 1001 is the recording reading time. They're coming towards you with lot of love, Aquarius. Clarify lovers more. Wow. Wheel of Fortune. The luck is on your side. The Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. Can you see? So that's why do not focus on the past things. Okay, Five of Cups energy is here. So do not focus on those things which has already happened in the past. Okay, just see two cups which are waiting for you, Aquarius. Don't be in this energy of sad, remorse, guilt. Okay, so yes, why there is Fool here? Clarify Fool. In your main reading also I told you, you are right now in the energy of Queen of Swords. Okay, you are single, you are happy, you are abundant, you are enjoying your singlehood, you are emotionally detached, and you are enjoying your abundance basically. Can you see? Queen of Pentacles is someone who know how to manage their finances basically, who is financially independent, and you know that you are single, happy, abundant, and you can enjoy your singlehood. 1111 is the recording reading time, and Queen of Swords. So maybe you are focusing more on your finances these days. Okay, but you will take a leap of faith with this person. Clarify Wheel of Fortune here. Why there is Wheel of Fortune here? Ace of Pentacles and Tower again. Wheel of Fortune is being clarified by Ace of Pentacles and the Tower. 1144 is the recording reading time. There is definitely a offer, a commitment which is coming towards you, Aquarius. Okay, but don't be in this energy of Five of Cups. See, I can see 555. Can you, maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 555. Five of Swords, Five of Pentacles, and Five of Cups. Maybe this person left you out in cold in the past. There were a lot of fighting, drama, competition with this person. Can you see? Five of Pentacles. Maybe this person left you out. They ghost you. Okay. But don't focus on the past. This is what the message I am receiving. Because definitely the communication is coming towards you. Ace of Wands and the Six of Wands. So you're going to get success in getting new hopes, new desires, in getting the commitment. Okay, clarify me why there is Three of Pentacles here. The Fool. Okay, and Six of Wands, Six of Swords. I told you, you will come towards a calmer water. This person want to collaborate with you here, Aquarius. Okay, maybe on the terms of they want you, they want you, they want you. This is the message I'm receiving. They want you, they want you. Okay, okay. Six of Swords and the Fool. Fool is here again. So they want to take a leap of faith with you. 1331, 1331 is the recording reading time. Okay, so they want to take a leap of faith with you, Aquarius. They want to come towards you. They want to come towards calmer waters with you. Okay, whatever has happened in the past, they want to solve that issue basically. Now they are ready for the commitment. They want to get married maybe with you. Maybe they want to give you commitment if they were not ready to give you commitment here. Okay, see, Three of Pentacles again. They want to collaborate with you basically. And can you see in this picture, maybe there was a third party situation involved in your situation. There are two girls and there is one boy here, but this boy is looking towards one girl here. Can you see this girl? This boy is focusing on this girl. So maybe in the past this person was not ready to give you commitment, but now they want to give you commitment. Why there is Two of Cups here? Clarify Two of Cups. Clarify. I told you there was a third party situation, but that's what I'm receiving, and because of that this person left you out in cold. But they are keeping an eye on you. Page of Swords, Two of Swords, Three of Swords, and Ace of Wands again. They are thinking about you, they're having thoughts about you, Aquarius. Maybe they broke your heart in the past with the Three of Swords because they were unable to make a decision with the Two of Swords. But now they're keeping an eye on you through social media apps. Maybe they are spying on you, that what my Aquarius are doing and all. Okay, but you are on their mind. Okay, you ignite the passion in them. You are on their mind here. Can you see? That's why they're coming towards you, and they're feeling sorry. That's why there is Page of Cup here. Maybe they will come towards you with an apology and saying, sorry Aquarius, I broke your heart, I'm sorry. But they are coming here, and they know that they broke your heart with the Three of Swords. They put you in a third party situation because they were unable to make a decision. Okay, why there is Ace of Cups here? Why there is Ace of Cups here? No, too many. Please clarify me, Ace of Cups. Your guards are up, Aquarius. Maybe this person tried to manipulate with you. Seven of Swords I'm receiving here again and again. This can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here with the Emperor, and they're coming at a very slow pace because Knight of Pentacles. They took long period of time here to come on this decision here, but they are taking it. Can you see how this Emperor is looking towards this girl? Seven of Wands. But this girl is saying, no, I am not ready to open up and I'm protecting my energy. I am not ready to open up. Your self-defensive mode is on. You're not allowing this person to enter in your aura, in your field. You're not ready to open up. But this Emperor is looking towards this girl. Okay, they took long period of time to come on a conclusion here with the Knight of Pentacles because this is the slowest energy. So they took long period of time to come to this decision here, but they are coming. I told you this is someone from your past. Six of Cups. Six of Cups is also a soulmate card. For some of you, this is also a soulmate for you. Okay, and they love you. This is also, I told you, King of Cups. This person is right now in their emotions. Okay, they're feeling the love here because King of Cups is the king of love. So they are doing the soul searching. They are in the hermit mode, and they're looking the answers from within themselves, that what my soul wants. And right now even you are doing the manifestation. See again, Three of Wands, the Star, and the Magician. You are holding back your energy and you're doing your manifestation basically. So this was the clarification for your reading. Now let's see what is the guidance from the universe, from the divine. So this is beautiful, Aquarius. I know they broke your heart, they put you in a third party situation, but now they're coming towards you with after doing lot of soul searching. Okay, now they're coming here, and that's the karmic justice which is being served in your case. Okay, they know that they have treated you wrong. Okay, let's see what is the advice from the universe. Six of Pentacles. They're coming towards you to give you equal amount of give and take. Maybe if there was no equal amount of give and take in the past, now there will be equal amount of give and take in this relationship. Let me see. What is the advice? Please give me the advice for this reading. What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? Again, Six of Pentacles is here. Wow. I love it when universe confirms me from my all decks. I love it. Because there is definitely new beginning here, Aquarius, which is happening here. 3 Ace of Wands from a 3 decks. Okay, this is new passionate beginning which is happening between you and this person here. And there is 6 of Pentacles here again, which was here from my all deck. that this person is going to give you equal amount of give and take. Maybe in the past this person was not giving you equal amount of give and take, but now they are going to give you equal amount of give and take here with the Six of Pentacles. Okay, bottom of the deck I'm having Ace of Swords. You will get your clarity. Let me see what is the advice. Please give me advice. World, Two of Swords. This person was unable to make a decision basically. Two of Swords is again here, Two of Wands is here. So they're making the decision here. Okay, they're making the decision. They're releasing all the burdens which they're carrying on their shoulders, and they're making the decisions here, Aquarius. And you also know this truth. Bottom of the deck I'm having Queen of Swords. So you already know this truth that this person is going to make a decision. That's what you are completing a cycle here. You're closing out the cycle here. Okay, again this is Queen of Swords and King of Swords, power couple here, divine pairs. So this person can be someone who is financially stable, grounded. Maybe this is someone who is a businessman, a business owner. That can be also a possibility here. But they are making a decision here with the Two of Wands. They are making a decision. Maybe in the past there was no decision making. They were unable to make a decision because of the conflicts, drama, fighting, competition between you and this person. There was confusion, but now they're making a decision. And because of this indecisionness, they were holding a lot of burdens on their shoulders. They were carrying a lot of burdens. That why did not I make this decision? But now they're making it. Any other advice for Aquarius? You are feeling restricted, Eight of Swords, but do not worry at all, Aquarius. You're going to get out from this overthinking. Queen of Pentacles. Definitely you both are, yes, I told you, going to get the clarity here with the Ace of Swords. Maybe right now you are feeling restricted, trapped in your own mind thoughts. Being an air sign, we usually tend to overthink sometimes. So do not overthink. Okay, you will get your clarity. Here I'm having Queen of Pentacles here. Can you see again a divine pair? King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles both are here. So definitely you will get your clarity here, Aquarius. Okay, and this is the Emperor. Any other advice you want me to give? Four of Wands, Ten of Cups and Six of Wands. Again the same energy is here. So you will get success in making happy family, happy life. Ten of Cups is here again. So this is beautiful energy, Aquarius. Okay, Four of Wands is also a marriage card, and Four of Wands is also 1111 twin flame card. Okay, so yes, this is someone from your past who is coming back. You both belong to one another here, Aquarius. You will get success in making family with this person. Happy family, happy life. Okay, happily ever after. Right now your guards are up. See, the Star and the Seven of Wands. Same energy is here. Same guidance is here. Your self-defensive mode is on. Okay, so this was the guidance which I am receiving here. You're going to receive your clarity. You're going to receive your new passionate beginning with this person. This person is going to give you equal amount of give and take. Okay, so this was your extended love reading. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing light and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, take care of yourself and see you soon.